Renewable is an Australian business that specializes in distributing renewable solar and electrical equipment.
So our clients are retailers and installers of renewable energy products for the solar market.
Renewable is actually kind of a big industry. We're not only talking about these PV solar system alone and in recent years, like battery or storage, in-house residential storage for the individual electricians or installers. We not only supply the products, but also give them some technical supports, give them the line in between with the manufacturers. And maybe for some large-scale residential commercial projects such as solar farm or PPA projects, we provide this knowledge to the retailers. They can have a better idea about what they should purchase, what they should install, and what the customer can get best from.
So one of the previous systems we used was NetSuite. We found it effective in terms of getting the job done, but we didn't find it effective in terms of the amount of information we can see and the amount of seamless integration we had between teams to provide us with the solutions we need to grow as a business.
The communication is one of the most important things for any of the business. So Odoo can provide us an integrity communication way. We can leave out the notes, put some different labels for different special products, and each of the team, they can follow up the notes without any further communication to be specialized what needs this special case the customer wants. So make sure we do our best to achieve our final goals as well as our customer needs.
So our workflow in terms of business through Odoo can range from accounting to procurement to sales, basically everything that's required for a business like in a wholesaler to run effectively. So there's a number of different programs that we need to utilize to ensure all parts of business are effectively communicated and integrated with each other.
Actually, from the beginning of this, I think this is most frequently used function I've been utilizing out of this Odoo system. You can see the sales turnovers, and you can even filter out who is doing that sales and what clients are doing that sales for you, and the products, what you've been sold, and from which client and from which warehouse as well. You got analytical accounts here, so you can see from different locations and also from different sales right? So I'll just show you guys a little bit demo. Selecting Sync Energy as a client, and you can choose the delivery method, pick up or delivery. You can choose the expiration dates to protect your quotations. So you can also choose the payment terms. So then you just go to the products line. You can select the products you want to sell and change the numbers and quantities. And in this coding stage, you also have a stock availability check, so you can see whether you're holding enough stock or you are expecting more to come, and you can all access from this one screen. So that's pretty much the sales. And once the clients confirm they are happy with the quotations, you can confirm this order from a quotation stage to a sales order stage. And then you can click the delivery button.
So Odoo is kind of the tool to help us to streamline our existing procedures.
So from Odoo being available on a mobile app, it helps us as account managers to visit our clients on site, to be able to access the system to provide them the information and knowledge that they need for us to help them grow their business.
We highly recommend Odoo to the small to medium-sized businesses who are looking to enhance and optimize their existing working procedures. The main reason is what we can benefit from Odoo, we also believe they can benefit from.
Due to the Odoo system being efficient at helping us communicate and work effectively, it's helped us to grow into other states such as WA, Queensland and New South Wales.
We've been with Odoo for so long time. Odoo has enabled us to enhance our working flow, optimize our operation processes. This has allowed us to make better informed decisions and plan for our future growth with confidence. This is why I believe Odoo is a very important tool to us.